Hi, this is Vedi, and now the X10 control panel is connected with app successfully. You can see that the indicator is blue. That means it is compared with the app. So let me code the accessories, the door contactor, doorbell, remote, and appear to the app, to the control panel. So we can see the well. Okay. This is the X10. Is this device is online? So press here. Okay. So this is away arm. This is home arm. This is arm, and the record is for the events that happened. You can check here, and this is the status of the device. You can see this button. This is a switch. This is for home appliances such as TV, light, air conditioner. This is zone information. You can check which zone is programmed here. And this is for setting. So let me code zone. So there are 24 wireless zones for the accessories, and all these are wired zones. And as I have write down the zone information here. For 00 zone, 0 zone is for wireless remote control. You can code about 10 remote controls here. And from zone 6 to 14 is for wireless door, window, sensor. And from zone 15 to 24 is for pure motion sensor. And 24 zone is for wireless doorbell. So, okay, let's first code the remotes. 00 zone. Okay, study. Press any button for 2 times. Okay, study success. Okay, let's go back. Let me choose zone 6 for the door contact. Okay, switch on. And then study. Press the study button. Okay, and trigger the alarm. Okay, study success. So confirm. And then let's go to peer. Okay, let's choose 15, zone 15. Zone 15. Switch on and study. Okay, trigger the alarm for 2 times. The lights will on. Okay, success. Let's confirm. Now for the doorbell. Doorbell is for 24, zone 24. Okay, press. Switch on. Okay, study. Okay, press. Two times. Okay, success. Press 2 times. Ah. Okay, so let's press. Okay, so this is a home arm status, and now you have to set your phone number. This is for phone number. Okay, group 1, maximum 5 groups. So you can input your phone number to phone, alarm, or message, push notification. You can choose one and then another one. Okay. Let me trigger. The lights will be red, and then you will receive an app push notification. Vanwell app. It shows Zone 6 Zone doorbell. Oh, door is opened by somebody. Okay. So later I will receive a call from the control panel and push message from the control panel, because I didn't insert a SIM card here, so you can do it by yourself. Then let me try the remotes. Okay. This is disarm for arm and home arm. This is for emergency alarm. You can press here and it will trigger alarm. So let me check. Okay, press here. Okay, app push. It is on. Okay, this is away arm. Let me trigger the peer. Oh. Peer zone. Okay. Let me check the. Okay, this is app push doorbell. Somebody has pressed the doorbell. Okay, and this SOS button, if you have an emergency, you can press here. 2 seconds. Okay, it will trigger alarm. And you will receive a phone call, message, push notification, and the app push notification here. Okay, so this is for X10.